Alright, y'all can see what's going on here. You see how dirty this is. And look, y'all can see the years and years of chemicals coming out of this. The shot. Watch this. The smoke that was in this car. Alright, y'all, let's start on the seats, clean these things up. You can see. Bad shape. Actually, come see this. We're gonna put a seat cover over it to see the damage. Yeah, I suggested replacing the halo in this, but again, he's trying to save a few dollars, so a seat cover would look nice on it, just to get it covered up. I am gonna clean all this mold.